Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth reverse in CapCut. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, add your clip. Set the speed 0.2x. Then set better quality. And export. Now add the exported clip. Duplicate the clip. Reverse. Now add the exported clip. Thanks for watching. Comment for the next tutorial.